So, hi there, I'm Alvin Enrique Looy. I'm a multidisciplinary creative lead with over 5 years of experience, bridging the gap between high impact visuals and digital strategy. Whether it's creating thumb stopping social media content, designing high converting landing pages, or building a brand identity from scratch, I focus on crafting cohesive brand experiences that actually converts followers into customers. My background is a blend of creative execution and technical strategy. On the design side, I'm highly proficient in Adobe Creative Suite, specifically in Photoshop and Illustrator, as well as Canva and Figma. When it comes to motion and video, I use CapCut Pro, Premiere Pro, and Adobe After Effects to turn raw footage into high energy, trending short form reels and video teasers. But I don't just deliver creative assets because of my background in information technology. I understand the why behind the designs. I manage the entire digital publication cycle from initial concept and SEO optimized copywriting to automated scheduling and performance analytics. I've successfully applied these skills in various environments. I have directed creative teams to develop visual identities for large organizations, and I've also worked as a freelancer managing end-to-end social media marketing for up to 10 concurrent client accounts. I thrive in fast-paced setup because I know how to streamline production pipelines to ensure high volume, premium assets are always delivered on time. Ultimately, I am looking forward to bring my drive for visual consistency, growth, and ROI to a team where I can make long-term impact. I have my portfolio ready and would love to walk you through my design process. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.